Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to deactivate and delete your Temu account. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to log in into your Temu account. So visit the Temu website or open the Temu app and log in into your account using your credentials. The following step is to access your account settings. So look for a settings menu or an account settings section within your Temu account. It is usually represented by a profile icon or your initials. Click on it to access your account settings. The next step is to locate the account deactivation option. So within your account settings, search for an option related to deactivating or deleting your account. This option is commonly found under privacy, security, or account management settings. It may be labeled as deactivate account, delete account, or similar. The fourth step is to follow the account deactivation process. So once we have found the account deactivation option, click on it to initiate the process. You may be labeled to ask you may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for deactivating your account. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information to proceed with the deactivation process. The last step is to confirm and delete your account. So after completing the deactivation process, Temu may require you to confirm your decision to delete your account. This is typically done to ensure that you are intentional about deleting your account. Confirm your intention to delete the account according to the instructions provided. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.